that is normal. There is a scripture in Psalm number 39 and verse number 1. Psalm 39, the first verse. The Bible said very clear in the word of the Lord. He said, I said I would take heed of my ways, that I will not sin with my tongue. I will keep my mouth with a bridle while the wicked is before me. Turn it into my language. In the Israel, the Bible said, be very careful. Be very careful. Right now, I'm preaching to myself. Be very careful, Kofi Oduro. My wife tells me, said you would do ni panenya sa no modo. It is very true. Be very careful. You love people, you will go the mile for them, but they are not what you think. So be very careful. Be very careful. You're careful. Be careful. You be break us too much. O plan now, you plan. And you are all over the show. And you don't know and you are spilling the beans. Be very careful. Because you'll be a Christian and need daho. Oh God, I wish I can explain what I just said. Ne need daho. Ne need daho. I mistake what from pre-onion say one you me no you munyansa. We sunuwe papa omuna papa back. Ye no you munyansa. Ne need daho. Yes, we share the third person and we're creating him. Now sign him back. Another different father. As a beautiful young lady, one of the most beautiful people that I have ever seen. When you recruit money, a brandy been fan woman, and then a woman means now brandy no a woo ye. A bush and food you mobile dean was antimony on your comma. The Radiadum Kakan will free Mufi. We bedroom cramp and I'm friend and I'm netting as an sister. O banker happy Jimmy oh. And a win yamia to try Joe. See Yansa. Advice no a harsh, but a good. O banker ube Jimmy oh. And in yamia mobo. And where you were free, see Yansa.